Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of October 2023 for all the Aries Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of October for all the Aries Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Aries Ascendant people, Sun controls your fifth house, and right now, Sun is moving in your sixth house in the sign of Virgo. Sun will stay in your sixth house till 17th of October. After 17th of October, Sun will move to your seventh house in the sign of Libra. So right now, your fifth house Lord is moving in your sixth house. Sixth house deal with your court case, your litigation, your argument, your fight, your hidden enemies also seen from sixth house. Your daily routine is also seen from sixth house. So fifth house Lord is moving in your sixth house. Sixth house also deal with your disease pattern. So you need to be take care of your disease related matter in the month of October, especially till 17th of October, because Sun will stay here till 17th of October. Also, fifth house control with your children, your love relationship, your engagement, your fiance. You need to be take care of these matter in the month of September because your fifth house Lord is moving in the house of argument, in the house of fight, in the house of court case litigation. So you need to be take care of these matter. Also you need to be take care of your children's health and your health as well. After 17th of October, Sun will move to your seventh house in the sign of Libra. Seventh house will be your relationship, your marriage, your spouse is seen from seventh house, your business partnership, your business related matter is also seen from seventh house. How you meet others and how others perceive you when you will meet others is also seen from seventh house. So when Sun will move to your seventh house, you need to be take care of your marriage related matter. You may face some argument and difficulties in your marriage because Sun does not give very good result in the seventh house. So we can expect some disturbance regarding your marriage related matter and your business partnership. And we will also have solar eclipse in the sign of Libra in the month of October. You need to be take care of your marriage related matter and your relationship related matter and your business related matter. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Aries Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Aries Ascendant people, Mercury controls your third house and your sixth house. And right now, Mercury is moving in your sixth house. Third house deal with your cousins, your communication is seen from third house, your neighbors, your childhood friends, your friend circle is seen from third house, your ability to do efforts is seen from third house, your mainly your communication and your hand is seen from third house. Sixth house deal with your court case litigation, your argument, your fight, your health issues is seen from sixth house, your hidden enemies also seen from sixth house. So right now your sixth house is in a strong position because your sixth house Lord is also moving in your sixth house and your fifth house Lord Sun, as we discussed previously in Sun section, Sun is also moving in your sixth house. So we can expect you may get positive result regarding your hidden enemies related matter, regarding your court case related matter. But Mercury will stay in your sixth house till 19th of October. After 19th of October, Mercury will also move to your seventh house in the sign of Libra. After 19th of September, Mercury will be in a combust position. Mercury is being in a combust position for some time, but after 19th of September, when Mercury will move to your seventh house in the sign of Libra, then Mercury will also be in a combust position because Mercury will be too close to Sun. We can expect you may face some difficulties and confrontation. So we can expect after 19th of September, you may have to face some difficulties, some disturbance, some argument regarding your relationship and your marriage related matter because Mercury will move to your seventh house after 19th of October. So we can expect these results regarding Mercury for all the Aries Ascendant people in the month of October. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Aries Ascendant people, Venus controls your second house and your seventh house. And right now, Venus is moving in your fifth house in the sign of Leo. Venus just moved from your fourth house to your fifth house on 2nd October 2023. Before that, Venus was moving in your fourth house in the sign of Cancer. Second house deal with your family lineage is seen from second house, your savings, your wealth related matter, your family's wealth is seen from second house, your upbringing is also seen from second house, your speech, your food intake habits are also seen from second house. Seventh house, as we discussed previously in Sun section or Mercury section, seventh house will be your marriage, your relationship, your business partnership, etc. etc. So right now your seventh house Lord and your second house Lord is moving in your fifth house. So we can expect positive result regarding your love relationships because Venus also represents love, luxury, and desire. And Venus is right now moving in your house of romance, house of love relationship, house of engagement, house of girlfriend, boyfriend. So we can expect positive result regarding your love relationship in the month of October, especially after 2nd of October, which will move to your fifth house in the sign of Leo. Also, we can expect positive result regarding your education related matter, but you need to be take care of your children's health as we discussed previously because your fifth house Lord is moving in your sixth house Sun, is moving in your sixth house. So you need to be take care of your children's health and your health as well. The rest we can expect positive result for you people. Also, Venus controls your second house, and second house Lord is moving in your fifth house. Mean one positive house Lord is moving another positive house. So we can also expect positive result regarding your money related matter. Also expect positive result regarding your family related matter and your money related matter in the month of October from Venus for all the Aries Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Aries Ascendant people, Moon controls your fourth house, and right now Moon is moving in your third house in the sign of Gemini. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of October, and on the basis of 6th October we are predicting for whole month because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in one video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house during these days, we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. And somehow problem, difficulties and issues are always associated with these houses. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, especially problem, difficulties and issues will come from the house significance through which the moon is moving near naturally malefic planet, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Aries people, Mars is your ascendant lord and Mars controls your 8th house, and right now your ascendant lord is moving in your 7th house in the sign of Libra. Mars just moved into your 7th house on 4th of October. Before that, Mars was moving in your 6th house in the sign of Virgo. First house deal with you, your personality, your general health is seen from first house, your all the major aspects of life is seen from first house, your nature, your fundamental nature is also seen from first house. Your 8th house deal with your sudden event, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life, your transformations in life, your unearned money is also seen from 8th house, your sexual activity, your sexual relationship, your sexual organ is also seen from 8th house. So right now your first house lord and your 8th house lord is moving in your 7th house. 7th house deal with your marriage, your relationship, your business partnership, how you meet others, how others perceive you. Your fame is also seen from 7th house. So right now your ascendant lord is moving in your 7th house. So we can expect positive result regarding your personality related matter and your image related matter in the society in the month of October because your ascendant lord is moving in your 7th house, and from 7th house your ascendant lord is expecting your ascendant. Also Jupiter is also moving in your first house, so we can expect positive result regarding your respect related matter, regarding your image related matter and regarding your fame related matter. But Mars also controls your 8th house, and 8th house lord is moving in the house of marriage, so you need to be take care of your marriage related matter. As we discussed previously, in Mercury section and Sun section you may have to face some difficulties, argument and some confrontation from your spouse and business partnership in the month of October. So we can expect these results for all the Aries ascendant people from all the planets in the month of October. We will have 4 major astrological events in the month of October as we discussed previously. Venus just moved from your 4th house to your 5th house on 2nd October in the sign of Leo. Second major astrological event is that, as we discussed previously in Mars section, Mars is just moved from your 6th house to your 7th house on 4 October 2023 in the sign of Libra. Third major astrological event is that Sun will move from your 6th house to your 7th house on 17th October 2023 in the sign of Libra. Fourth major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 6th house, and on 19th October Mercury will also move to your 7th house in the sign of Libra. And last major astrological event is that, as we discussed previously, you will have solar eclipse in your 7th house in the month of October as well. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of October 2023 for all the Aries ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.